A Risograph studio sounds like it should be an intimidating, credentialed, serious artists-only kind of place. It's not. It's just a room with a bunch of machines, a lot of paper, a zine library with over 3,000 titles that you can sit and read through for free. This is Outlet PDX. I print here. I'm gonna walk you through what a studio like this actually looks like, the 2 ways to use it, whether you want to learn or you just want the prints, and what RISO printing actually costs, because that's the part everyone leaves out. Let me show you the space. So over here are the 3 RISO printers that Outlet has, and it matters that there are more than one because more printers mean more options for your print size, for colors, and if one machine decides that it doesn't like your project, you can switch over to another machine. And then over here is all the supplies. So down here are all of the inks, the ink drums, and you can see all the different colors that they have. And then these are the ink tubes that go inside the ink drums. You have access to magazines and Sharpies and colored pencils and any sort of cutting tool that you might need to make your artwork come to life. And this is the shop. So this is a really great place where you can flip through really great Risograph prints. And even if you're not gonna buy anything, it's a really good way to calibrate your eye to what good Risograph printing looks like. Photos on Instagram lie a little bit about the colors in Risograph printing, but when you hold the print, you can actually see what it looks like. And this is the zine library. There are over 3,000 titles here, and a lot of them are Risograph printed. So you can flip through them and see the range of this medium. Flipping through a zine library is genuinely more useful than doing any amount of online Google searches to what this medium can do. The shop and the zine library are open during open hours, and no one is gonna quiz you or pressure you. So if the whole idea of learning how to RISO print feels intimidating, a zero stakes browse is a completely legit first visit. You go, you look, and then you can leave. And then you might have a clear idea of what you want to make. So if you want to access this place, there are 2 ways in, depending on how hands-on you want to be. Take the RISO Basics class and print with an assistant. If you want to learn the Risograph printing process, this is the right way. RISO Basics is an intro class. They run it regularly, and it covers the actual printing, understanding the mechanics of the machine, file setup, the whole thing. And you don't need to bring anything to the class. They have everything. And I want to say this clearly because I know this is a big pain point for some people. You do not need to be a real working artist to take this class, and you definitely don't need to show up with a portfolio. The class is here to help you learn RISO printing and help you make your first print. Outlet also offers a private one-on-one RISO Basics class in case you're bashful. But I like talking to other people, so I took the group class. One thing to know, you can't just walk in and start using the machine. The basics class is required before you can schedule time to print with an assistant. There's no shortcut, and that's a good thing. And then maybe you're someone who's thinking, RISO looks cool, I love the aesthetic, but I do not want to be a full-fledged RISO printer. And that's a completely valid position. You can submit a project to Outlet, and they'll work with you to print it for you. It's called remote printing. Here's a quick, honest note about pricing, because this is something that people can get confused about. Different RISO studios tackle pricing differently, but this is how Outlet does it. If you want to come in and print your work, you first have to pay a small hourly fee to print with an assistant who will troubleshoot and print with you. Then you pay for the number of masters or stencils that you'll be making. So if you're making a 3-color print, you're gonna pay for 3 masters. And then you pay for the number of impressions that you make. So if you want to make 100 prints of those 3-color prints, you will pay for 300 impressions. Also, they do have paper available for sale for your project. I usually bring my own, but if I have any issues with my paper, I switch over to theirs. This may sound like a lot, but once you print 100 editions of a single print, your per print cost is significantly cheaper than if you brought that same project to a shop that does only digital printing. And if you're doing a remote printing job with Outlet, your pricing is based on your project because every project is different. Different size, different paper, how many colors. how many copies, and whether or not you need finishing like trimming or folding. If you're really serious about a specific project, the best next move is to go to their website and request a quote for exactly what you want. One time I was printing, and the machine started to make the most demonic screeching sound I have ever heard. And then one of the studio owners ran downstairs to help me. Multiple masters had gotten caught around a rod inside the machine, which is not something that I could have figured out on my own. So that's the deal with this place. You'll never be alone with an upset machine. This is a really specific, unsexy thing that I wish someone would have told me earlier. You're probably gonna catch something wrong mid-job. Maybe it's a file that you mistakenly shifted, a layer that's too dense, a typo that you swore you fixed. But if your laptop is there, you can open it up, fix your problem, re-export it, and keep going. But if you don't bring your laptop, you lose an entire book. I've been saved by this more times than I would like to admit. The real reason why I print at a studio like Outlet isn't just access to the machines. It's the context around them. Being surrounded by other artists' finished work, their misprints, a full zine library of what's possible makes RISO feel less like some secret art world thing and start feeling like something that you could actually do. And if you want to see how this machine actually works, the drums, the masters, why prints come out the way that they do, watch this video next, and I open up the machine and show you exactly what's going on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.